Using the mobile noise generator MNG300 Rabbler. Please remember that the MNG300 Rabbler is just a tool, complementing and reinforcing the measures taken to protect you from eavesdropping and recording. First of all, the security of your conversation depends on yourself, and later from the device. Therefore, during sensitive negotiations with using by MNG300 Rabbler, it is important not to increase the volume of your voice. Imagine that you're sitting in a crowded coffee shop and do not want to be heard by the people at the next table. That means your speech should not be too loud. If possible, then leaning forward towards your interlocutor or sit closer to each other, then place the generator on the table between you. Turn on the device by pressing the power button and set the desired level of sound interference with the knob labeled level. Please note, it is not advisable to use only one MNG300 Rabbler if the number of participants is more than 4. In this situation, it may be necessary to use 1 or 2 additional devices. Also, while in use, do not hide your generator. Example, in your pocket or a bag. Your conversation should be drowned in noise. Therefore, the unit should be as close to the speakers as possible. Do not decrease the volume of the MNG300 Rabbler. Always use it at maximum volume. Speak quietly and not too loudly. If your companion has a recorder about his person, he will record himself, but not you, as long as your voice is not over loud. If a recorder could be in an undisclosed location somewhere around you, you may need to use an additional generator. Place 2 generators between the interlocutors, placing them in different directions, or one between the interlocutor and the second somewhere behind you or to one side. If there is suspicion about a specific location of a listening device, place a working generator closer to that spot and a second one between the interlocutors.